What's up everyone, I'm Brian.
I'm Priscilla.
And today is Halloween. And if you are a dinosaur nerd like we are, you may notice we are dressed up this year as Alan Grant and Ellie Sattler from Jurassic Park. And not Jurassic World, OG Jurassic Park. Very first and best movie.
You did it. You crazy son of a bitch, you did it.
We're just going to show you guys how we put this all together. We're going to have the Amazon links down in the description below. And don't forget, we also have one of the famous dinosaurs from the movie. The famous Dilophosaurus. And the person we got for this Dilophosaurus, all they know how to do is growl and spit. So it was perfect for the part. So now Priscilla, let's go ahead and talk about your outfit first and what you did.
So we were trying to find something on Amazon, but everything was too expensive, the whole look, so we just decided to buy whatever we thought it would look good for the outfit. So I got this pink shirt,
Overshirt, you have a
overshirt. The top I just had at home. The shorts we got it on Amazon as well. I had the belt. So it's pretty simple. The socks and the shoes I already had at home as well. It's not like exactly, you're supposed to have the hiking boots, which we didn't, and we decided to just go with this. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna have the link on the description down below so you guys can see. Everything was pretty cheap and I can actually wear it after the Halloween party.
Yep. All right guys, so Alan Grant here. And after I was digging for dinosaur bones this weekend, decided to also hit up Amazon to make sure I completed the look. So a couple of things I already had. Khaki pants, pretty basic. I already had those. I didn't get the hiking boots for me, but I do have just my regular black tennis shoes, maybe the one upgrade. Everything else though, like I look, not gonna lie, I look legit. Here's a side-by-side with the man himself and me. So of course, the main thing you have to have is the denim long sleeve shirt, rolled up sleeves, button up, got the red classic bandana underneath. Like I said, khaki pants, brown belt, got some accessories down here. This is, I think, like a shovel holder, and this cool little bag to hold stuff. So can't forget those belt accessories. I'm a paleontologist, so gotta have those for digging, of course. And then, oh yeah, of course, most important part, the hat and the aviators. So you can reenact that famous scene when you first see the brontosaurus right in front of you. That's a real dinosaur. Oh, and completely almost forgot, since you got the shirt, bandana, hat, aviators, khaki pants, brown belt, got the belt accessories, but almost forgot down here, we actually have a raptor claw. Actually, we have a 3D printer and I found the file and printed this myself. So the entire family, you have me as Alan Grant, Priscilla is Ellie Sattler, of course. We got the, having some costume difficulties with the Dilophosaurus, our 1-year-old Lexi. And then in a second, we are gonna put Logan's costume on. He doesn't have it on yet. He threw this whole thing together because Logan, stay here. He wanted to be a volcano for Halloween. That was his #1 request. So we're gonna put on his volcano outfit next. It's right here. So because Logan wanted to be a volcano, we had to get creative and come up with a theme this year so we could all essentially match, was the idea. So that's why we decided let's go with Jurassic Park, because, you know, volcanoes and dinosaurs, right?
If you look to the right, you will see a herd of the first dinosaurs on our tour, called Dilophosaurus.
All right, guys, most difficult part with this is catching the Dilophosaurus. Lexi, can you growl like a dinosaur?
High catch. This stick. See a stick? Yeah, look, stick. you're extinct.
Holy! Here is Logan. Whoa! So cool, Logan. Look at the lights. Show the lights and the hair. Yeah. Jump. Yeah.
It looks like a real dinosaur.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. Alan Grant here, Ellie Sattler. Got the Volcano and the Dilophosaurus. As you know, kids' costumes don't last the longest, so their headpieces are already off. Lexi is literally wearing her bucket on her head, her candy bucket, so that's how that goes. But yeah, so Priscilla's full alot, my full alot, Alan outfit. And the Dilophosaurus is all from Amazon. So we'll put the links down in the description below. So anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification button, like the video. And this was unboxing with Pri. So happy Halloween.
Here you go. Drop that right in there and you get this.
Oh, thank you. Say thank you. Oh, let's film Mommy and Lexi. Good job, Lexi. Let's go to the next one. Logan, come on. Good job. All right, watch your step coming down. Watch your step. Good job, buddy.
Pegou bem gostoso, hein? Pegou Ó, mostra o papai dos outros, mostra.
Good job, guys. Yeah.